always at its best. Categories number 1, good luck on your winner table choices is standby for a dispatch. Anytime now. It's racing time. Constantinople, Hot and Soul, moving up at the center, running by the little Storm Chaser, then followed by Unbroken, running by the rail is Yona, then comes Pagkakaisa, moving up is Wafu, the King, as they race towards the Hamapo. Hot and Soul leading the field by about 2 lengths, running in second, Storm Chaser, Unbroken in third, Constantinople, Wafu, the King, running third last, second last, Yona, and Pagkakaisa still bringing up the rear. Rounding towards the 450 without pressure in front is the favorite Heart and Soul, this time by some 6 to 7 lengths. Running now in second, the Storm Chaser once again downloading inside, and running by the rail, Unbroken, Constantinople, Wafu, the King. But Heart and Soul this time by some 3 lengths. Constantinople, moving up down inside, Wafu the King, Constantinople, winning the race for Mr. John Erickson Abilino, second, Hot and Soul, then comes Wafu the King, Pagkakaisa, Yona, Storm Chaser.
Okay, crossing the wire first. Numero 7, Constantinople, to Heart and Soul, ang segundo.